The circulatory system performs the function of transporting various substances like water, hormones, oxygen, soluble nutrients, and waste materials through different organs. The circulatory system consists of heart, blood vessels, and capillaries. The human heart is a muscular organ. It is made up of involuntary cardiac muscles. Blood vessels that carry the blood away from heart are called arteries. Vessels carrying blood toward the heart from various parts of the body are called veins. Due to the contraction of the heart, pressure is exerted on the wall of arteries and it is called blood pressure. Functions of blood: transport of gases. Oxygen is carried via blood from lungs to cells in various parts of body and carbon dioxide from tissues to lungs. Transport of nutrients. Simple nutrients like glucose, amino acids, and fatty acids are taken up by blood from the wall of alimentary canal and transported up to each cell in the body. Transport of waste materials. The nitrogenous wastes like ammonia, urea, and creatinine are released by the tissues into blood and carried to kidneys for excretion. Protection. Antibodies are produced in the blood and they protect the body from microbes and other harmful particles. Blood pressure. Blood is continuously kept flowing through blood vessels due to contraction and relaxation of the heart. Due to contraction of the heart, pressure is exerted on the wall of arteries and it is called blood pressure. The pressure recorded during the contraction of heart is called systolic pressure and that one recorded during relaxation is called diastolic pressure. The blood pressure of a healthy person is about 120 by 80 mm to 139 by 89 mm of mercury or Hg. It is measured with the help of sphygmomanometer. It's important to know about hypertension or high blood pressure. High blood pressure than normal is referred to as hypertension. In the arteries of the person with hypertension, unnecessary tension develops. The heart needs to perform more function than the normal condition in the case of hypertension. Both systolic and diastolic pressures are high in hypertension. Do you know every individual may have a different blood group? Let's know in detail about human blood groups. Depending upon the proteins like antigens and antibodies, different blood groups are formed. There are four main groups of human blood known as A, B, AB and O. Besides, there are two types as Rh negative and Rh positive in each of those four groups. Overall, there are 8 blood groups as shown here. A, B and O blood groups were discovered by Karl Landsteiner in 1900. He won the Nobel Prize in 1930 for this discovery. Blood group AB was discovered by De Castello and Storley in 1902. Let's know about blood donation. If a person meets an accident, bleeding occurs through wounds. Many times, blood transfusion is necessary during the surgical operation. Similarly, blood is transfused in case of patients with anemia, thalassemia and cancer too. Blood transfusion is carried out to compensate for the blood shortage in the body. This is called as blood transfusion. Blood banks. Blood is collected in blood banks by specific methods from healthy persons and supplies to the needful persons. If the collected blood is not to be used immediately, it can be stored for some days in the refrigerator. The person who donates the blood is referred as blood donor. The person who receives the blood is referred as recipient. A person of the blood group O can donate blood to a person having any other blood group, whereas the person with AB blood group can receive blood from a person with any other blood group. Hence, a person of blood group O is called as universal donor and a person with blood group AB is called as universal recipient. Blood groups are hereditary and depend upon the genes inherited from parents. Blood transfusion is performed only after the blood group matching. If it is done without matching, it may be fatal for the patient. The person who donates the blood may be a recipient in future. Hence, blood donation is considered as the best donation. Blood production occurs continuously in our bodies. About 350 ml of blood is collected from a person during donation, and our body restores the fluid part of it within 24 hours. Pregnant and breastfeeding women cannot donate blood. 1st October is observed as National Voluntary Blood Donation Day. A healthy person of age more than 18 years can donate blood 3 to 4 times a year. Points to remember: due to the contraction of the heart, pressure is exerted on the wall of arteries and it is called blood pressure. The blood pressure of a healthy person is about 120 by 80 mm to 139 by 89 mm of mercury, and it is measured with the help of sphygmomanometer. There are 4 main groups of human blood known as A, B, AB and O. Blood transfusion is performed only after the blood group matching.